Are you bored of constantly relying on the same old set of attacks and other people's tools? Do you want to stop using what's already out there and start building your own tools? And also, if you're ready to break through the basics and dive into the world of advanced network hacking, then this course is exactly what you've been looking for. In this course, we'll explore some of the most common and dangerous network attacks that target the heart of every network. We'll go deep into techniques targeting DNS servers, routers, DHCP servers, and even encryption protocols. And we won't just talk theory. We'll put everything into practice. We will use a combination of our own custom-built tools and industry-standard ones to perform real-world attacks and learn how to defend against them. One of the most exciting parts of this course is our hands-on project where we will write our own exploit from scratch. You will see how to develop a reverse shell over the network and test it live. That's right, you'll be exploiting a vulnerable chat application and executing a real attack using tools that you created yourself. And we don't stop there. As we round off the course, we'll shift gears and focus on network protection. We'll learn how to detect and defend against man-in-the-middle attacks, and we will even create our own custom IDS and IPS rules to stop attacks in their tracks. By the end of the course, you'll not only have a deep understanding of advanced attacks, but you will also have the skills to protect your network from the most sophisticated threats out there. So, if you're ready to take your hacking skills to the next level, buckle up. It's time to get started with Advanced Network Hacking course.